You've spoken about a lot of topics with the current state of affairs with India, from international affairs to economics to voting rights. And I was curious, what would you prioritize in terms of policy proposals when you become prime minister?
I would move from just a growth centric idea to a job centric idea. I would say we need growth, but we're going to do everything to push production and job creation and value addition, right? Currently, if you look at our growth, uh, the type of relationship there should be between our growth and job creation, between value addition, between production is not there. The Chinese lead value addition. Nick would disagree with me, but the Chinese lead value addition. They, I've never met a Chinese leader who says to me he's got a job creation problem. I've never met the guy. This is astounding to me because this is the only problem we deal with, right? So we have to get on that bandwagon. Also, we have to protect in a country like India the minimums. So you have to put floors under people. You cannot say to people in an urban environment that, listen, we're not going to give you hospitals. Your children can't have education. So a minimum floor, and then moving the country with one, forcefully saying, okay, this is a serious challenge now, like the United States is sort of moving towards. What I like about Mr. Biden's plan is that they clearly recognize the problem, that they've understood that now there's a problem, right? That penny hasn't dropped in India. India is still fooling around and dilly-dallying and messing about and, killing people and doing all sorts of stuff that is not central to this thing. So I would say, go to our people and say, okay, now next 15, 20 years, serious value addition, serious job creation. I'm not interested in 9% economic growth if I don't see job numbers right next to it. If you give me 9% economic growth and say, oh, we don't have jobs, well, sorry, I don't like that. That doesn't work for me. So that would be the thrust of it. But putting it into a mission mode, right? Like what John F. Kennedy did. We got to go to the moon. And then the whole nation is, we got to go to the moon. So that's where we got to go. And I think that there'll be different variations of it in the United States and in India. But both those pennies have to drop together.